Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app. Enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match, and enable Hey Google function. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now you are sure it's working, let's go back and go to lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, sorry, it has to be locked. Now you can use this function. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.